Nakakatulong nga ba ang zinc supplement para sa acne and paano nga ba talaga ito gamitin? So ang sagot guys is yes, you can use zinc supplementation as part of your acne treatment. Pero hindi po dapat maging stand-alone or zinc supplementation lamang ang gagamitin natin sa pag-treat ng ating acne. Pero before tayo mag-proceed sa mga acne supplements, guys, siguraduhin natin na meron na po tayong mga basic treatments for our acne which involves our topicals and also oral medication. So nagagamit ang zinc supplementation as part of your acne treatment because some studies show na meron itong anti-inflammatory effects. May mga ibang studies po na nagpapakita na meron din itong antimicrobial effects na nakakatulong para sa acne. And also, may mga studies din po na nagpapakita na zinc can actually help regulate our sebum production. So sa mild acne guys, may mga studies na nagpapakita na may about 30 to 50% reduction in the lesion count with oral zinc supplementation. And the study shows na nagwo-work ito best for inflammatory acne, yung mga red po na acne na yan. And hindi siya masyado nagwo-work para sa mga non-inflammatory acne lesions kagaya ng mga comedones or yung mga whiteheads and blackheads. So sa moderate acne naman guys, may mga studies na napapakita ng about 30 to 60% improvement in their acne after 2 to 3 months of taking oral zinc supplementation. And sa study na ito, pinapakita na oral zinc supplementation works best when combined with topical anti-acne treatments and your oral medications. Pero for severe acne cases, guys, hindi masyadong mag-work ang oral zinc supplement as a monotherapy. Ibig sabihin, kung gagamitin natin yung ating oral zinc supplement alone, hindi po siya mag-work masyado for severe acne. But zinc oral supplementation can complement your oral isotretinoin by reducing inflammation in severe acne cases. So anong klaseng types guys ng zinc supplementation ang pwede natin gamitin? Kasi iba-iba po ang zinc supplementation natin. So ang pinaka-common po is yung zinc gluconate. So we can take 30 to 50 milligrams per day. Or pwede rin yung zinc sulfate. We can take around 100 milligrams per day. Pero itong variation ng ating oral zinc supplement, medyo nakaka-upset lang siya ng stomach in some individuals. So pwede din yung zinc picolinate. We can take around 30 to 50 milligrams per day. Pero guys, yung pinaka-favorite natin is zinc biglycinate, which is a chelated form of your zinc bound to glycine, which has increased bioavailability and increased absorption compared to other zinc derivatives. At maaari itong may mas better anti-inflammatory profile, lesser gastrointestinal upset or side effects, and also potentially better at maintaining zinc level. Pero again guys, zinc oral supplementation is not meant as a standalone treatment for your acne. Kailangan po nakakombine siya sa ating mga basic anti-acne treatment kagaya ng topicals and oral medications. Alright guys, so I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!